activities that are very light for you, that get you up from a 6, 7, 8, or a 5, 6, get you up to an 8, because you're down to a 4. Some people say, Coach Pia, all I need is sleep. And I sleep more, I'm up to 8. So you have a buffet of things, like a first aid kit that you bring out. What I love is watching my children sleep. It's very enriching for me. So I watch them sleep. And I have a 12-year-old, a 9-year-old, and a 1-year-old baby. All boys. And so I watched the baby. Because a year ago, he wasn't there. And now he's here. It's amazing. A year ago, he wasn't there. And now he's here. He's taking up space in the world. Yeah, so it's such a miracle, right? A year ago, he wasn't in my life. Because my youngest was already 9. And then he's there. Taking up space on my bed. It's just amazing. Watching him sleep is very enriching for me. And then I put my nose to his nose. And then I smell his breath. Woo! So from a 4, I go up to a 10. Whatever it is for you. To enrich you. And then you zero in again on that self-confidence that will make you base your decisions on confidence, certitude, rather than fear.